How's it going, everyone? Mike here with April 1st, 2021 Merch by Amazon sales update. As you can see here, total number of sales 6. So nothing crazy when it comes to the first day of April, but that's fine because I just got out of one of the best months since the end of, I think, 2018, beginning of 2019, and there's been a lot of activity with my account, so this is definitely not so bad. As you can see here, there were 5 sales in the US and 1 sale in the UK. Total royalties of about $20, and then total sales of about $100. A couple of people have been asking me to maybe just spend a few minutes talking about the actual products that are selling, and I know that I go through this fairly quickly, and I talk about how my #1 selling products are standard t-shirts, premium t-shirts, pop sockets, and cell phone cases. And as you can see here, that's pretty much what's on the screen. I have a few best sellers that are pretty much selling at least 1, sometimes 2, 3, 4 a day, and that's pretty much the case with yesterday's sales, and what I was actually really happy about. I think 3 or 4 of these I have blurred out, but I think they were all new designs that I started that I uploaded in the last month or so. This is the screen. Actually, I'm recording this on the 2nd, as you can see here. So today's been a little better than yesterday, but still, it's not even near the end of the day. So I'll definitely do another update video for the 2nd. But as you can see here, just a quick review of the last month, and there was a bit of a dip in February, and then March definitely improved when it comes to the actual sales numbers. But again, that was because of a tier up. While we're talking about tiering up, congratulations to a few of you guys. I know that one person went from 10,000 to 20,000, and then I talked to another person. I think they're at a tier, I can't remember, it was something lower, but I think 2,000 or 4,000. I'm not exactly sure. I can't remember. So congratulations to you guys. I don't know how it works. I'm assuming it's it's definitely based on the sales, but I don't know if Merch or Amazon does these kind of in bulk. So maybe they'll do tier ups at the end of the month, at the beginning of the month. I don't know. It doesn't even matter. What I want to say is congratulations. That's awesome. As you can see here, I would just be hitting that 8,000 sales mark, so I would have been tiering up to 10,000 around this time. So I like to point out that I'm very happy and fortunate with where I am. I won't talk about many other things. I just basically want to say, 6 sales as of yesterday, and let's just look at last month one more time. And if you've seen the previous video, it's 308, and that's a really good feeling. Like I said, I won't go into too much detail because there's not much to talk about, but 6 total sales. All right, start to the month. As you can see here, as of right now, 13 sales in total, and the day is definitely not over yet. So I hope it actually continues like this, because I'm really feeling good about April. As always, thank you guys for watching. Comments, questions, anything you have to say, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon.